So I have a question for you. What would you do with an extra $1,000 a month? Would you pay off your debts? Would you vacation, travel the world, give more to charity, retire, get a new car, or just enjoy some time freedom? So before you answer, let's take a quick look at where most people end up by the age of 65. 1% are wealthy, 4% are financially stable, 5% are still working, and these are the crazy numbers. 28% are dead, and 62% are dead broke. So to put the odds back in our favor, most of us look for ways to earn extra money. But in today's world, what are our options? Do we work more hours? Do we get a second job? Do we open a business franchise? Put our money to work for us? Get a large inheritance? Go back to school? Or maybe we could even win the lottery? Unfortunately, though, today's economic realities are making it much harder to survive, much less thrive. The savings rate in the United States is at its lowest rate since 1929. Most families live paycheck to paycheck, with bankruptcy no more than a few missed paychecks away. The good news, however, is that with as little as $500 to $1,000 a month could prevent most bankruptcies, divorce, and abuse in the home. But there is a much better way. Alongside our great products, we are looking for some great people to join Wakaya Perfection as ambassadors to represent and promote our products, as well as to share our amazing story. For as little as $49.95, you can have everything you need to start your very own home-based business, including a personalized marketing website, administrative back office and storefront, along with your initial marketing materials, opening the door to earn commissions and advance through the ranks of Wakaya Perfection. Our ambassadors are handsomely rewarded for sharing our products with others. We pay from 10% to 38% commissions on all of your customer sales. Share these already well-known products with everyone you know and everyone you don't know. We will take care of everything else, from manufacturing, warehousing, packing, and shipping. Within 24 hours, you and your customers will be notified with tracking information, and their little piece of paradise will be on its way. But that is only the beginning. At Wakaya Perfection, our compensation system is not just about your personal product sales. It's about team product sales as well. Our independent ambassadors have no territorial restrictions and no limits to team size or income potential. Our state-of-the-art compensation system pays 14 different ways, and you can get paid up to 5 times a month, each and every month. You can take your business to the next level by becoming Paradise Qualified. Simply earn 500 CQV in a single commissionable month, and once qualified, you're always qualified. To earn 500 CQV, there's no minimum sales amount or maximum number of customers. However, many opt to market one of our Paradise product packs for as little as $299.95. Or for the greatest product value, the Premier or Bulafit Warrior Paradise product pack with over $600 in product for only $474.95. These comprehensive packs include the greatest discount available on our most popular products, even our healthy snack line with our exclusive ginger sea salt and caramel popcorn, and the very tasty allergen, GMO, and gluten-free ginger gem cookies. And for those of you joining as ambassadors, this pack will also get you $25 off of your ambassador startup kit. As your team grows and as your enrolled ambassadors achieve Paradise qualification, your 2x2 team and 50% matching bonuses will grow as well. Each 2x2 group fills in automatically from top to bottom, left to right. Once completed, you'll receive a $100 team bonus, and your enroller will receive a $50 matching team bonus. Then the process begins again. Wakaya Perfection has what has been described as the most aggressive compensation system in the industry today, giving every one of our ambassadors the plan to a grand. At even the initial rank of Coral, we pay a minimum of 20% BV on level 1 and level 2. This means with as few as 20 average customers anywhere on level 1 or 2, you could earn $600 a month. And with only 34 average customers, you could earn over $1,000 a month. That's right, your plan to $1,000 per month with only 34 average customers. And this doesn't even include any of our infinity, generational, or other bonuses. We don't just have a plan to $1,000, but we have a grand plan as well. We want all of our ambassadors to join the Grand Wakaya Club by earning $1,000 or more each and every month. In fact, we want to have more $1,000 monthly income earners than any other company in our industry.